Hello students of class 10. Now in our previous video we have completed exercise 4.1. Now in this video we will start from 4.3, that is solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Okay, solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. So in here you see it is very easy. I will show you in example 3. Find the roots of a quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0 by factorization. Roots of the quadratic equation means I have to find the value of x. Understand? And what method I have to use? I have to use by factorization method. Okay, now you see. This is your example 3. Example 3. Find the roots of the equation. What I have to do? I have to find the roots. I have to find the roots of the equation. Roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0 by factorization. Okay, I have to find the roots of the equation this by factorization. Two x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. I have to find the roots of the equation by factorization. Roots of the equation means I have to find the value of x here. So what I will do by factorization means this left hand side, this expression I will have to factorize. And how will I do it? I will factorize this expression by splitting the middle term. Okay, I will factorize this expression by splitting the middle term. So splitting the middle term we have already learned in class 8. First of all, I will do 3 into 2, which is 6. 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 is equals to 0. So this is 2x common. So x minus 1 I will get. Minus 3 common, x minus 1 is equals to 0. So this one I will get x minus 1 into 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. So I can say that either x minus 1 is equals to 0 or 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 1 or x is equals to 3 by 2. This is my answer. So therefore I can write, so x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 3 by 2 are the solutions of the equation, or we can write in this way. In other words, 1 comma 3 by 2 are the roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. So this is how we find the roots of a quadratic equation by factorization. Understand the expression? What I will do? I will factorize it by splitting the middle term. Okay, by splitting the middle term. Then I will get x minus 1 into 2x minus 3 equals to 0. So I can say that either x minus 1 is equals to 0 or 2x minus 3 equals to 0. So therefore x, either it will be x is equals to 1 or x is equals to 3 by 2. So therefore x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 3 by 2 are the solutions of the equation. Okay, or I can write in this way. So x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 3 by 2 are the solution of the equation, or in other words I can say that 1 comma 3 by 2 are the roots of the equation, this one. Understand? I have to find the roots of the equation. What are the roots of this equation? 1 and 3 by 2 are the roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, that much only I will have to do. Next again I will go to example 4. Okay, next again I will go to example 4. Next you see example 4. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. Find the roots of the quadratic equation 6x square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, find the roots of the quadratic equation 6x square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. So again I will take the help of factorization. 6x square minus 2 is equals to 0. 6 into 2 I will get 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Now you see 2 2s are 4. I will get 4 minus 4 plus 3. Yes, if I do minus 4 plus 3, then I can get minus 1. So this one I can write as 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. So this one I can take 2x common, 3x minus 2, and in here plus 1 common, 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. So this one I will get 3x minus 2 into 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. So I can write either 3x minus 2 is equals to 0 or 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. So therefore x is equals to 2 by 3 or x is equals to minus 1 by 2. So therefore last line I can write, therefore the roots of 6x square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0 are 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. This is how we factorize a quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. The roots of the quadratic equation this are 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2. Next you see example 5. Okay, example 5. Find the roots of the quadratic. Find the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now in here you see what I will do. Find the roots of the quadratic equation this one. Okay. In here you see what I will do. 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equals to 0. Yes. So you see this whole thing. Okay. I have to find the roots here. Understand? I have to find the roots. So in here you see what I will do. In place of splitting the middle term, this one a little bit means differently I will do. Okay, this one you see 3 there. Yes, 3 there. So you see this one. Okay, 3x square minus 2 root 6. How I can write root 6? This is 2 into 3 x plus 2 is equals to 0. Yes. Now 3x square. This one how I can write 2 into root 2 into root 3 x plus 2 is equals to 0. Yes. Okay. Now you see 3 how I can write root 3 the whole square x square. I can write Understand? Or sorry, in place of writing in this way, let me write it in this way. This one 3x square there. So yes, root 3x, yes, root 3x the whole square. Okay, root 3x the whole square minus 2 into, okay, minus 2 into this one root 3x into root 2. X is outside the root. Okay, remember x is outside the root, into 2 plus 2. How I can write? Root 2 the whole square is equals to 0. Yes, understood? Now you see this whole thing came in the form of a minus b the whole square. Yes, this whole thing, it came in the form of a minus b the whole square. Yes, a square minus twice ab plus b square. So this one, how I can write? This whole thing I can write it as root 3x minus root 2 the whole square. Yes, is equals to 0. Understand? So now this one, how I can write? Since it is a quadratic equation, so this one, how I will write? This is root 3x. Yes, this is a quadratic equation. So x, two values of x I will get. Understand? This is again, this is root 3x minus root 2 is equals to 0. Understood? So in here I can say either root 3x minus root 2 is equals to 0 or root 3x minus root 2 is equals to 0. So in here x is equals to root 2 by root 3 or x is equals to root 2 by root 3. Understand? In this way you can write root 2 by root 3 or as it is given in your book. Understand? Root 2 by root 3 you can write, or you can write it in this way also. You can write that x is equals to root over 2 by 3. Understand? X is equals to root 2 by root 3, or you can write x is equals to root over 2 by 3. Understand? This is also x is equals to root over 2 by 3. So therefore at last you can write, therefore the roots of the quadratic equation this are 3 comma root over 2 by 3. Understand? There will be two root. Okay, since it is a quadratic equation, there will be two values of x. Okay, in this way you can do it. Next, question number 6 you try, example 6 you try to do by yourself. Next I will go to exercise 4.2. I hope you have understood. Okay, next you see exercise 4.2. Question number 1 saying find the roots of the following. Find the roots of the following quadratic. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. So in here you see x square minus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0. Roots of the quadratic equation by factorization. This one I am splitting the middle term doing. Okay, splitting the middle term. X square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equals to 0. X comma x minus 5 plus 2 x minus 5 is equals to 0. So this one it will become x minus 5 into x plus 2 is equals to 0. So therefore either x minus 5 is equals to 0 or x plus 2 is equals to 0. So in here I will get x is equals to 5 or x is equals to minus 2. Therefore I can write that therefore the roots of x square minus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0 are 5 and minus 2. This is our answer. Okay, it is very easy there. This is a splitting the middle term I have to do, and then I will have to find the value of x. That much only. So exercise 4.2 type 1, all the problem sum I am doing. Okay, next one, you see, two x square plus x minus 6 is equals to 0. So this is 2x square plus x minus 6 is equals to 0. 6 into 2, 6 into 2, what becomes 12. 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are. So this middle term, which is x, how I can bring 4 minus 3. If I do 4x minus 3x, I will get x. Yes, this is splitting the middle term. Okay, you have already learnt in class 8. Understand? 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equals to 0. So in here 2x common, x plus 2 minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. So this is, I will get x plus 2 into 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. So I can say either x plus 2 is equals to 0 or 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. From here I will get x is equals to minus 2 or x is equals to 3 by 2. So the last line you can write, therefore the roots of the equation this are minus 2 and 3 by 2. Understand? Therefore the roots of the equation 2x square plus x minus 6 is equals to 0 are minus 2 and 3 by 2. Understand? This much only I will have to do. Next, question number 3, you see. Root over 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equals to 0. So in here, okay, 5 root 2 into root 2, I will first of all multiply do, yes, into root 2, which ultimately gives me 5 into 2, which ultimately gives me 10. So 10 factorization, 5 2s are 2 1s. So 7x I have to bring, 5x plus 2x if I do, I will get 7x. First of all, let me write the question. 7x plus 5 root 2 is equals to 0. So now root 2x square plus 7x, how I can bring? 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equals to 0. Okay. So now from here what common I can bring? X I can take common. X. Root 2x plus 5 plus from here what common I can bring? 5x, 5x plus 2x, 7x. This is your 5 root 2. Okay, from here I took root 2x plus 5 I took. So now okay, let me do one thing. You see, instead of writing in this way, I will write this. You see, instead of writing, I can write x square plus, instead of writing 5x plus 2x, I will write 2x plus 5x. Understand? Plus 5 root 2 is equals to 0. So now in here I can bring okay, one thing you see, okay, root 2x square plus this is 7x there, no, this is 7x there, no problem. Let me write in this way only. Earlier that I wrote 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equals to 0. Okay, no problem there. Notes I have already given. Okay, you can check it one time. Notes I have already given. So in here you see what common I can take. In here I can take x common. Yes, x common. So root 2x plus 5 plus, now next one you see here, this 2 there, no, 2 how I can write? Root 2 the whole square I can write. Yes, root 2 the whole square x plus 5 root 2 is equals to 0. Yes, 2 I can write it as root 2 the whole square. Understand? So now what I will get? X root 2x plus 5 plus, from here what common I can take? See, root 2 common I can take. Root 2 common. Yes. So in here I will get root 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. So ultimately I got root 2x plus 5 into x plus root 2 is equals to 0. Okay. So now I can say either root 2x plus 5 is equals to 0 or x plus root 2 is equals to 0. Okay, either root 2x plus 5 equals to 0 or x plus root 2 is equals to 0. So I can take x is equals to minus 5 by root 2 or x is equals to minus root 2. So therefore you can say, therefore the roots of the quadratic equation this are minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2. Understand in here what I have done? First of all, you see, this is splitting the middle term I am doing. Okay, so root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equals to 0. Now, from these two terms, I can take x common. So x common when I will take, then I will get root 2x plus 5 plus this 2, no, this 2 I can write it as root 2 the whole square. Yes, 2 I can write it as root 2 the whole square, x plus 5 root 2. So from these two terms I can take root 2 common. So ultimately now you see I can take root 2x plus 5 as common. Yes, from both of this term, root 2x plus 5 I can take common. So ultimately this one I will get. So either this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 5 by root 2 or x is equals to minus root 2. Okay. Next one you see, question number 4. Question number 4. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equals to 0. So 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equals to 0. So in here left hand side I will take the LCM. So it will become 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equals to 0. So ultimately I will get 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equals to 0. 8 if I send that side, then this one I will get. So now this quadratic equation I will have to split it. Okay, I will have to factorize by splitting the middle term. Yes. So now 16 into 1, how much I will get? 16 I will get. 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 2 1. Done. Now you see 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 I will get 8. Minus 8x there. So I can write 16x square minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 0. So from here I can take 4x common. I will get 4x minus 1. From here minus 1 I can take common. So 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now 4x minus 1 I can take common. So inside what will remain? 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. So now I can say that either 4x minus 1 is equals to 0 or 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. So therefore x is equals to 1 by 4 or x is equals to 1 by 4. Understand? So therefore you can write that the roots of the quadratic equation, therefore the roots of the quadratic equation this are 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Understand? Roots of the quadratic equation this are 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Okay, next I will go to question number 5. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equals to 0. So again, let me write the question first. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equals to 0. 100 into 1, I will get 100 only. 100 prime factorization if I do, this is 20 to 10 to 5, 5, 1. So how can I bring minus 20 here? You see 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10. Yes. So this one I can write it as 100x square minus 10x plus 1 is equals to 0. So from here I can take 10x common. This will be 10x minus 1. And from here I can take minus 1 common. 10x minus 1 is equals to 0. So ultimately this is I will get 10x minus 1 into 10x minus 1 is equals to 0. So therefore I can say either 10x minus 1 is equals to 0 or 10x minus 1 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 1 by 10 or x is equals to 1 by 10. So therefore I can write, therefore the roots of the quadratic equation this are 1 by 10 and 1 by 10. Okay, the roots of the quadratic equation this are 1 by 10 and 1 by 10. This last sentence you write it down. Next I will go to question number 6. Next you see question number 6. 2x square minus 7x plus 6. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation. This will be is equals to 0. So this one you see 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equals to 0. 6 2s are how much I will get? 12. 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3 I will get 7x. Yes, minus 7x there. So I will do here 2x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 6 is equals to 0. So 2x I can take common. So I will get x minus 2 minus 3 I will get common. X minus 2 is equals to 0. So this is I will get x minus 2 into 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. So I can say that either x minus 2 equals to 0 or 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. So therefore x is equals to 2 or x is equals to 3 by 2. Understand? So therefore the last sentence I can write, therefore the roots of the quadratic equation this are 2 and 3 by 2. Okay, 2 and 3 by 2. Question number 7 you try to do by yourself. I will go to question number 8. Question number 8 you see. Root over 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 is equals to 0. So 7 root 3 into root 3, 7 root 3 into root 3, I will get 7 into 3 which is equals to 21. Now 21 if I do prime factorization, then 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are. So 10x there, 3 plus 7 I will get 10. Yes. So this one I can first of all let me write the question. Root over 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 is equals to 0. So this one I can write root 3x square plus 3x plus 7x plus 7 root 3 is equals to 0. So now in here you see what I can do. Okay, this one you see. Root 3x square plus this one 3, I can write it as root 3 the whole square x plus 7x plus 7 root 3 is equals to 0. Now from here I can take root 3x common. So in here I will get x plus root 3. In here I can take 7 common. X plus root 3 is equals to 0. So from here I will get x plus root 3 into root 3x plus 7 is equals to 0. So now I can say either x plus root 3 is equals to 0 or root 3x plus 7 is equals to 0. Either this is equals to 0 or this is equals to 0. So therefore from here I will get x is equals to negative root 3 or x is equals to minus 7 by root 3. Okay, x is equals to negative root 3 or x is equals to minus 7 by root 3. Okay, so this is what splitting the middle term I have done. 10x I can write it as 3x plus 7x. Now in here you see root 3x square plus 3 I can write it as root 3 the whole square x plus 7x plus 7 root 3 is equals to 0. From these two I can take root 3x common. I will get x plus root 3 plus from here I can take 7 common, x plus root 3. So this one x plus root 3 if I take common, then I will get x plus root 3 into root 3x plus 7 is equals to 0. So from here I can say that either this is equals to 0 or this is equals to 0. So x is equals to negative 3, x is equals to minus root over 3 or x is equals to minus 7 by root 3. So therefore last line you can write, therefore the roots of the quadratic equation this are minus root 3 and minus 7 by root 3. Understand? Next I will go to question number 9. Okay, question number 9 is x square plus 2 root 2x plus 2 is equals to 0. Solution. So this is our 2 there. X square plus 2 root 2 x there. Okay. So now in here you see x square plus 2 root 2x plus 2 is equals to 0. Okay. Now in here you see okay, this one I can write it as x square plus 2 root 2x, that means root 2x plus root 2x plus 2 is equals to 0. Yes, I can write it in this way. And now in here x common I can take, and in here okay. So now again you see this is I can write it as x square plus root 2x plus root 2x plus 2 I can write it as root 2 the whole square is equals to 0. Okay, done. So now in here this one you see from these two terms I can take x common, so I will get x plus root 2 plus from these two terms I can take root 2 common, I will get x plus root 2 is equals to 0. So this is I will get x plus root 2 into x plus root 2 is equals to 0. So therefore either x plus root 2 is equals to 0 or x plus root 2 is equals to 0. So therefore x is equals to minus root over 2 or x is equals to minus root over 2. So therefore ultimately I can say therefore the roots of the quadratic equation this are minus root 2 and minus root 2. Understand? That much you will have to do. This thing you can do it in this way or you can do it in this way also. You see this is x square there. Yes, x square, this one x square plus 2 root 2x plus 2 is equals to 0 there. Yes. So now in here you see this whole thing I can bring it in the form of a plus b the whole square formula. Okay, how I can bring in here you see this one I can write as x the whole square plus 2 into root 2 into x plus, in place of 2 I can write it as root 2 the whole square is equals to 0. Understand? So now this is what? A square plus twice this one root 2x. This is A is x here and B is root 2 here. Understand? So A square plus twice AB plus B square. So this one I can write it as x plus root 2 the whole square is equals to 0. So therefore I can say that x plus root 2 the whole square is equals to 0. I will get, taking square root both side, x plus root 2 is equals to 0 I will get. Okay, so you see this one is equals to 0 I got. So since it is a quadratic equation, yes, since it is a quadratic equation, so you will get 2 root here. Yes, since this is a quadratic equation, so you will get 2 root here. Understand? That means x value 2 you will get, 2 values of x you will get. So therefore this one I can write it as, you see, x plus root 2 into x plus root 2 is equals to 0. Now I can say that either x plus root 2 is equals to 0, or again this is x plus root 2 is equals to 0. So therefore x is equals to minus root 2 or x is equals to minus root 2. In this way also do, yeah, in this way also you can, or you can do it in this way also. Okay, again next one you see. Number 10. 14x plus 5 minus 3x square is equals to 0. So this thing, let me write it in the standard form, which is 3x square plus 14x plus 5 is equals to 0. Yes, if I take this minus common, then I will get 3x square minus 14x minus 5 is equals to 0. Ultimately I will get 3x square minus 14x minus 5 is equals to 0. So 3 into 5 I will get 15. So this is 3, 5, 5, 1. So this is 3x square. This one 14 there. Okay. So this is 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 1 I will get 14. So this one I can write it as minus 15x plus x minus 5 is equals to 0. So this is 3x common. X minus 5 plus 1 common, x minus 5 is equals to 0. So this is, I will get x minus 5 into 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. So now I can say that either x minus 5 is equals to 0 or 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. So from here I will get x is equals to 5 or x is equals to minus 1 by 3. This is our answer. Okay, I hope you have understood.